For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The CBI investigation into Sushant Singh Rajput's death case entered day 5 on August 25th. The special investigation team of the CBI are grilling people in relation to the case. In the latest, Sushant's best friend Sandeep Singh was grilled by CBI officials once again. Shocking revelations have come to light after Sandeep Singh's call records were accessed. According to latest reports, Sandeep Singh was missing from the late actor's life for almost 10 months before his death. Sandeep Singh hadn't contacted Sushant from September 2019. Sandeep Singh and Sushant did not exchange calls for 1 year. In contrast to this, Sandeep Singh has claimed that he is Sushant's best friend. Meanwhile, CBI sleuths questioned Sushant Singh Rajput's chartered accountant, Sandeep Sridhar. Sushant Singh's cook Neeraj Singh and his flatmate Siddharth Pithani were also questioned along with Sandeep Sridhar. Sridhar joined the CBI probe at the DRDO guest house in Santa Cruz area of Mumbai. Sandeep Sridhar is being questioned as there have been several discrepancies in the case. According to sources, SSR's chartered accountant was questioned about the financial dealings of the late actor. CBI sleuths are to find out whether Sushant had any financial dealings with his girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty and her family. CBI also questioned about expenses of Sushant and who handled his finances, debit cards, internet banking and credit cards. Sushant Singh Rajput's father KK Singh had complained that around 15 crore rupees was siphoned off from his son's account by Rhea Chakraborty. This is the first time Sushant's CA Sandeep Sridhar joined the CBI probe. Rajya Sabha MP Subramanian Swamy has been actively tracking Sushant's death probe. The MP has now termed Sandeep Singh as one of the suspects in the actor's death case.
Suspect Sandeep Singh should be queried as to how many times he has been to Dubai and why.
Subramanian Swamy has alleged foul play in Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. In a tweet, Swamy said the actor's autopsy report has revealed that he was poisoned. He also claimed that the autopsy report was deliberately delayed to erase all traces of the actor being poisoned.
Now the diabolical mentality of the killers and their reach is being slowly revealed. Autopsy was deliberately forcibly delayed so that the poisons in SSR's stomach dissolves beyond recognition by the digestive fluids in the stomach. Time to nail those who are responsible.
Subramanian Swamy had earlier alleged that Rhea Chakraborty should be arrested if she is keeping away any evidence from the CBI. Sushant's death probe has seen several unexpected turns and twists. The Enforcement Directorate has now submitted some crucial evidence in the case. ED's crucial evidence revealed that there could be a possible drug angle in the case. According to Rhea's WhatsApp messages with CBI and Narcotics Control Bureau, alleged drug use could be a crucial angle in the death case. Questions are being raised on if drugs were tried on Sushant Singh Rajput. SSR's girlfriend, Rhea Chakraborty, is yet to be questioned by CBI.